Today we're going to talk to you about silt fence and how it's installed. Silt fence is a woven polypropylene material used to prevent sediment contaminated water from entering the natural drainage ways. It's used on construction and home building sites and newly constructed landscapes. For a manual installation of your silt fence, you'll need the following tools. Trench digger, so you can dig a trench 200 mm deep. You'll need your silt fence. Today we're using a standard silt fence that's 0.77 of a metre high. You've got your wooden stakes, which are 38 by 38, 900 mm in length. Sledgehammer to drive the stakes in the ground, and your stapler gun to attach the silt fence to the stakes. You can dig the trench by hand or by machine. The most important thing is to remember the trench needs to be 200 mm in depth. Place your hardwood stakes on the downside of the hill, which is the opposite side to the flow of the water, and space your pegs at 1 to 1.5 metres apart. For extra strength and neatness, fold the end of the silt fence around the stake and staple with 3 at the top and every 100 mm after. An alternative to our standard 77 cm silt fence is the premium silt tie fence. The premium silt tie fence has a higher velocity rating and a tie across the top to accommodate a supporting wire. It's also 86 cm high. Backfilling on the silt fence secures it into position. So we've just completed the manual installation of our silt fence, which is going to stop any runoff of sediment from our driveway down the hill. Some key points to remember: put your stakes on the downward slope. Also, when you're backfilling your silt fence, put a lot more soil than you think is necessary, because it will settle over time. Now let's go and see how the professionals really install a silt fence. So there you have it, an installation by a professional. So whether you're installing your fence manually or would like to be put in contact with the people who can install your fence, give us a ring at Allstake Supply. For more information, phone Allstake Supply on 1300 130 123 or visit our website.